With a culture built on excellence and a team proudly regarded as its greatest asset, this vertically integrated powerhouse has been perfecting roll-forming machinery and related equipment made in the USA since 1949. Providing world-class service to customers in the metal construction industry worldwide. Join us in Spokane Valley and meet ASC Machine Tools.
ASC Machine Tools makes industrial roll-forming equipment. So what that means is anything that can start out life as a flat sheet of metal and turn into a formed product, we pretty much can make that for our customers. ASC Machine Tools is a very family-oriented company. It's been that way since 1949 and continues to be that way going forward. We care about our customers, we care about our employees, and it shows in the product we make.
We have tremendous benefit being vertically integrated here. We've been blessed to make significant investments over the past 4 to 5 years in technology and automation out on our floor.
Manufacturing process starts with raw materials. The raw materials are brought in, they are cut to length, and then they are prepped. As they get more machine work, they may go out for outside processes and then return for finished processes. Once they've completed the finished processes, they will typically travel to our deburring department where they will be cleaned, deburred, and polished and prepped for the next process. Other materials may come out of the weld shop and the sheet metal shop, such as guards for the machines, etc. At that point, once they are painted and through the deburring and outside processes, they will go to the warehouse where they will be sorted and staged for assembly.
Well, we partner with our customers. And at the end of the day, we develop friendships, we develop relationships with each one of them, and I think we're extremely appreciated by our customers for that reason.
ASC Machine Tools supports thousands of different pieces of equipment in the field. We do it in many different ways. We have a strong, dedicated field service crew. Along with that, we supplement it with key shop employees and also pull from the engineering pool upstairs when needed. We're here to take care of the customer, and that's whether we have a new piece of equipment or something existing.
ASC Machine Tools wouldn't be who we are today without the team that we have here. We have an excellent team of highly talented, highly capable individuals that help make excellent product.
Our customers can expect us to support them from the time that we begin talking to them about a sale to the time that we install the machine, and even afterwards. We really believe in coming alongside them and working together as a team.
That culture of continuous improvement pushes through even with the people that we continue to hire as well. We want people that are eager to continue to develop, continue to move on to the next level, to develop professionally.
What makes us the world's greatest at ASC Machine Tools is the quality of equipment we build and the fact that we are with the customer from design through manufacturing, assembly, test, installation, and for the life that equipment runs in the field. Proud to be part of this team.